Factorizing quadratic expression. In this video, I'm going to choose a more challenging question. And here we can see 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. And first step, we break this 9. First term here, 9x squared, 9 comes from 1 multiplied by 9, or also 3 by 3. Do we have any other pairs? No, right? Okay, 1. How about 1? 1 can come from positive 1 multiplied by positive 1, okay, or negative 1 multiplied by negative 1. Okay, so these are the possibilities. Okay, let's see which one which should choose. And because the last term is 1, this is quite simple at this stage. We have to make sure when we check it, we get positive 6x. Okay, so I'm going to show the butterfly method here. 9x squared, 1 and 9, if we add together, we get 10. The aim, remember the aim is 6. 1 and 9, if we minus and subtract one of those, we get 8. So the possible numbers is 10 or 8. And 3 and 3, if we add together, we're going to get 6. And of course, if you subtract, we get 0. That's impossible. And okay, so 3 and 3. Okay, we're going to choose 3 and 3. And let's start. Okay, so 3x multiplied by 3x, we have to make 9x squared. And the other side, 1 come from 1 and 1. We're not sure either positive or negative, but we see the aim is 6x, so obviously that's positive. And we multiply like this. Okay, it's a butterfly method, and this is how we check them. And this will be 3 times 1, that is positive 3x. 3x times 1, this is positive 3x. If we add both, or we solve this, we get positive 6x. So it means this pair is right. Therefore, the factorization will be 3x plus 1 for the first bracket. Second bracket will be 3x plus 1. Oh, so because both the same, exact same, so it would be 3x plus 1 square. Okay? Okay, so you can see now 2 questions where we have positive and negative. Okay, so let's start with the one in left, 4x squared. So 4x squared, the possible pairs should be 1, 4 or 2, 2. And the last part is positive 1, either 1 multiplied by 1, both positive or both negative. And we can see here that our aim is to make a negative 4x. Okay, so we know how to get 4. 1, 4 possible to make 3. 1, 4 possible to make 5. 2, 2, of course, that will make a 4, yeah? Alright, so that will be 2x and 2x. 2x times 2x, 4x squared, just perfect. And the other side is 1, 1. Okay, 1 time come from 1 multiplied by 1. And let's check. So it's supposed to be crossed like this. Okay, so if you don't put any sign, it means it's positive, right? 2x times 1 is positive 2x. 2x times 1, positive 2x. If we check this, we get positive 4x. And if you see here, middle, actually we aim to get negative 4x. So how to change this? So we can change by changing the positive negative here. So that will be, okay, so I'm going to erase this. This will be negative 1, because negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, we still get positive 1, right? So this is 2x times negative 1, negative 2x, negative 2x. That makes here should be negative 4x. Then only our pair is correct. Okay, therefore the factorization should be 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, or it can be 2x minus 1 square. Okay, so on left side, right side, sorry, negative x squared. That's quite straightforward. That comes from negative x multiplied by x. That's the only pair that we can have to get negative x squared, right? Negative 1, of course, digit-wise is 1, 1. Either both positive, can we have both positive? we have to make one of those negative. So which one would be negative, which one would be positive? Okay, so let's try this one. Maybe positive 1 here, negative 1 here. We're not sure. We try and we check after that. Okay, so this will be positive 1x. Negative x multiply negative 1. That also positive 1x. So this will be positive 2x. Oh, perfect. Okay, so this is the pair. Therefore, the factorization actually negative x plus 1 x minus 1. So this should be the answer.